Today I'm going to show you the best settings on your PC to optimize your internet speed so that you can get faster game downloads, lower ping in video games, and overall just faster web browsing. So let's head over to the computer and get started. So the first thing we're going to want to do is check our internet speed. So go onto whatever web browser you use. I use Google Chrome, and just type in speed test. And you can use this one right here, but personally I like this one right below it, which says speed test by Ookla. And because this one tells you which server it's connecting to and everything, and what network you're running and all that stuff, so it just has a little bit more information. But yeah, just click the go button there, and we can see our ping right here. We have a 14 millisecond ping, and we can see our download speed right here is roughly about 93, 94 megabytes per second. And then once it does the download, it's going to do the upload as well. So there we can see we're getting about 23, 24 megabytes per second on the upload speed. So once that completes, you're going to see your results here, and yeah, you can just kind of look this over, and this will just give you a nice baseline to see what internet speed you're running now, to see if the changes we make later have taken effect. So now that we've run a baseline test, let's dive into the settings to adjust to optimize your internet speed. So the first thing we're going to want to do to ensure that we're getting the most performance out of our network card in our computer is to make sure both our network drivers and Windows 11 or 10 itself are updated. So to check if the operating system is updated, you can just go to the Start menu here, just type in Update, and click on the Check for Updates right here. And as we can see, for me, looks like it's checking for updates. You can just click this blue button up at the top right corner to check for those, and we can see we had a .NET Framework, yada yada, some form of update here for our operating system. So this actually can surprisingly affect how slow your network is, and also having these download in the background can also affect how fast your internet is, because there's stuff downloading in the background, so it's using internet, so maybe your game or whatever is going to have a higher ping. So just making sure that Windows is fully updated. And then to check the network drivers, we can right click on the Start button here, click on Device Manager, then we can go over to Network Adapters, click on Realtek PCI GBE family controller. This might be different depending on the type of network adapter you're using, but it will most likely say Realtek at the beginning here, and we can just select Update Driver, search automatically for drivers, and we can see here the best drivers for your device are already installed. And if we want to check the date of the driver, we can right click it again and click on Properties, and then click on Driver, and then here we can see our driver version, and we can see the date that this driver came out. So this actually came out this year for my computer. So that is all up to date. So the next thing we're going to do is again go into our Windows Start menu and go to Settings, and then we're going to click on Network and Internet, and then Advanced Network Settings, and then More Network Adapter Options. And then we're going to right click on our network. I'm using Ethernet. This might be a wireless type network for you. And then just click on Properties, and then click on Configure, and then click on Advanced. So through here we want to go to Energy Efficient Ethernet and click set that to disabled. And then we want to go to Green Ethernet and again set that to disabled as well. And then we want to scroll down to power saving mode and select disabled for that value as well. So then we can just click on the OK button. We're actually going to right click on this again and select Properties once more, and then again select Configure, and then go to the Power Management tab And here where it says allow this computer to turn off this device to save power, we want to deselect that and select OK. So once again, we're going to go into our start menu and search for run, and then type in gpedit.msc and select OK. Then under computer configuration, let's go to administrative templates, network, and then look for QoS packet scheduler and double click on it. And then look for limit reservable bandwidth and double click on that. And we want to select enabled and then change this value to 0%. Click apply and OK. So we are once again going to go to our check for updates, and then we're going to select advanced options and then look for delivery optimization, and then go to advanced options, and we are going to change from absolute bandwidth to percentage of measured bandwidth measured against the update source, and you can select both of these and move them all the way down to 5%, and then we're going to do the same thing for our upload speed as well. So the next thing we're going to do is actually flush the DNS. So we're going to type in CMD and right click on this and select run as administrator, select yes. So right here we're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and select enter. I'm going to type in ipconfig space / register DNS. We're then going to type in ipconfig space / release and then press enter. Then I'm going to type in ipconfig space / renew and press enter. Then I'm going to type in net sh space winsock space reset. And again press enter, and it will notify you that you need to restart your computer in order to complete the reset.
So I hope this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you on that. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.